So we were really frustrated by the TV gaming space. It was really clunky. It's big consoles, big controllers, wires everywhere, and the ecosystems were completely closed. So we wanted to blow that apart with a really beautiful product, something really simple, really elegant, on a completely open operating environment. We call it GameStick. We set out with GameStick to create a really beautiful big screen games console. In building that product, there were some really fundamental engineering challenges. We wanted to go from a product this size to a product this size. GameStick is a 2-inch games console running Android. For the first time ever, it puts big screen gaming directly in your pocket. It's packed with power and memory to run the very richest games available today. No wires, no boxes, no fuss. So in creating a great games console, you've got to create a great game controller, and we focused tirelessly on making this product as beautiful to use as possible. Looked at trying to integrate the stick into the controller so that you ended up with a really easy to hold, beautiful, portable device that you could take anywhere you wanted to go. Everything we do at PlayJam is about TV. We love TV. Our entire mission here is about trying to make games on TV the best experience that we can. You've got a really open, vibrant platform on mobile, and you've got a closed network on console. And PlayJam simply is trying to break that ecosystem and bring fantastic games to TV.
My name is Charles Wong. I'm the co-founder of Green Throttle Games. Before that, I was the co-creator of Guitar Hero. Well, I think the GameStick is a good idea because it brings down the cost of playing games on a television. So not every game should be played on a $400 or $500 console. I think there are a lot of great games that people can play on their television that don't require all of that, and I think the GameStick is a perfect product for bringing that type of game to the mass market.
The thing I always think about with the GameStick is not only its affordability, but its accessibility. That's the area that I think game developers and also the consumer and the player will get the most excited about. The type of games that you can play using the GameStick will be very, very accessible, very intuitive, very friendly, and a lot of fun very, very quickly.
We're really excited to be working with over 250 developers who like the idea of getting their games on TV but don't necessarily have the resources or the opportunity to go via the direct console route. We see a huge opportunity to provide a direct self-publishing route to TV via an affordable, highly portable, dedicated gaming device which will, we hope, inspire a lot of creative thinking around the big screen.
For the first time, you can create and own your original intellectual property, you can bring that to market, and actually now we're really starting to see the emergence of connected TV as a really viable platform, really being able to access the television through more accessible, more affordable devices, and that's something that from a development perspective I find very, very exciting.
We've come a long way with this product, and it's been a real labour of love, but we're really proud of what we've created that we think can be truly disruptive for the games industry. To get it to the next stage requires support. Kickstarter is the most vibrant funding platform on the planet today, and we're absolutely delighted to be within that network, and we really hope that we'll find the support we need to take this product to the next level.
Introducing Luna, the first and only hardware solution that turns your iPad into a true wireless second display to create a workspace that frees you wherever you go. Luna delivers stunning image quality with virtually zero lag, turning your iPad into a touch Mac that works over Wi-Fi. Luna sets up in seconds and instantly works with your existing Wi-Fi. Simply plug it into any Mac, USB-C, or DisplayPort, install the Luna app, and you're off and running. No antennas, no waiting, and no hassles. We developed Luna because we knew there was a better solution than relying on software to turn an iPad into a second display. Software apps literally hack your graphics card, delivering a glitchy and unreliable picture. They trick your Mac into thinking a display is attached, when in fact they get no benefit of graphics acceleration or metal GPU support. So unlike software apps, Luna harnesses the raw power of your graphics card, giving you the full benefit of its graphics acceleration, delivering a stunning second monitor that's 100% wire-free. In addition to acting as a second display, Luna also acts as a complete extension to your Mac, allowing you to use it directly from your iPad with full support using external keyboards, Apple Pencil, and Apple Touch interactions. It literally allows you to turn your MacBook or iMac into a touchable device. Designed and developed by the creators of Astropad, the award-winning drawing app used by major animation studios and product design firms across the globe, Luna carries the same quality and performance that's been delivered to their tens of thousands of customers. And for those of you who are artists, you can pair Luna and Astropad to take your studio anywhere and create the ultimate drawing experience. Luna, so much more than a second screen.
There's more art on the internet than in every gallery and museum on Earth. But these objects are trapped. They're trapped inside devices like our tablets, our phones, our laptops. They're stuck inside screens designed for distraction, living between texts and tweets and emails from work. So we wanted to make a new way to bring art from the internet into your home. It's called Electric Objects.
The first question we asked was, how do we design a computer that just fades away? One that feels more like a painting or a photograph. This isn't a normal screen, and it shouldn't feel like one.
The device, the hardware is minimal. It's really the experience, it's the art that comes forth.
We're designing desktop and mobile apps to make it easy for you and your friends to discover, display, and collect these beautiful works of art. And I'm really excited about our API and seeing what artists and developers are going to do with it.
We're working closely with artists to create work specifically for electric objects and partnering with museums, libraries, and other organizations to bring their collections into your home.
It was really great to think about this existing on someone's wall and further thinking about someone choosing this to exist on their wall and how that was a reflection of them.
Sometimes when I'm sick, maybe the home should feel different. Sometimes when I'm really happy, my home should feel different. And the idea of being able to have art in the house that has that quality is, in a way, what I always wanted art to be able to do.
Do you remember the first time you streamed a video on your smartphone? At that moment, you were no longer tied to your living room for your entertainment or to your office for work. You could access your content anywhere. But there's one small problem: your small mobile device screen. Almost all of us prefer large displays for entertainment and for work. When those work deadlines are approaching, a large desktop monitor or a dual screen setup will significantly boost your productivity. So what if there was a way to have the mobility of a phone, tablet, or laptop without losing the benefit of a large screen? It sounds impossible, but that's exactly what we did. Introducing SPUD, the Spontaneous Pop-Up Display. SPUD is a high-resolution, 24-inch display that collapses down to the size of a book and weighs less than 2 pounds. This revolutionary product is the first truly collapsible display and the only device that gives you both portability and a large screen for entertainment and productivity.
Throughout the SPUD design process, we focus on image quality and ease of use. We use the latest projection technology combined with our own custom optics to project a large, high-quality image over a very short distance. This enables SPUD to produce a bright, sharp image that's about 4 times larger than a laptop screen and 23 times larger than a smartphone screen. To make SPUD as easy to use as possible, we designed to work just like a ruggedized umbrella. You can pop up the screen in a very intuitive way, and you can have the SPUD set up and running in less than 10 seconds. And since SPUD is also lightweight, battery-powered, and uses a hassle-free HDMI connection, you can get straight to the big screen you want without wasting any time on setup.
One of the most exciting things about SPUD is the many different ways that you can use it. On the entertainment side, SPUD is basically a portable TV or movie screen. Whether you're traveling, camping, hanging out with friends at a coffee shop, or just lounging around your house, it's the big screen that you can use anywhere. For work, having a dual screen setup is great for productivity, but you can also use it for presentations and as a collaboration tool. It's great for trade shows, sales visits, or any kind of field work. Spud gives you the flexibility you need no matter the situation. And it's great because it's a complete solution in a very small package that you can take anywhere.
We have the team, the product, and the vision to execute on Spud. And now, all we need is your support. By backing us on Kickstarter, you're becoming part of our founding community. As a special thank you, we will be adding all of our Kickstarter backers to an exclusive VIP list that gives you early access to discount codes, product updates, and beta testing opportunities. So Kickstarter, what will you do with your Spud?